Hey, this is Malerie with Living Life Barefoot, and I have the boys with me tonight.
Gavin and
Dylan.
And tonight we are going to make a healthy dessert. And what I love about this dessert, not only is it healthy, but it is a high protein dessert, and you get to incorporate your microgreens. So we are going to make a high protein energy bowl. And what I like about this is it's no bake, it's simple ingredients, healthy ingredients, and it's really easy, a nice grab and go snack that you can get. There's several variations of this recipe, and I'll kind of talk about that as we go on. So the first thing is about a cup of peanut butter. Do you want me to do this, or you got it, Dee?
You got it.
Okay. So if you don't want to do peanut butter, you can do almond butter, or you can do sun butter. Just make sure that it is organic peanut butter if you use peanut butter, and make sure you read the back of your peanut butter jar. It's only made with peanuts. I did almond slivers and I did pumpkin seeds. So you can put those in. You can do almonds, you can do sunflower seeds, you can do several things there. One thing that I didn't have that sometimes I like to add is cranberries or dried blueberries. Sometimes I cut up my dates and put them in there, or you could even do raisins. Unfortunately, I don't have any of that tonight, but those are really good options. Next up, let's do you guys' favorite, mini chocolate chips. I also like to do the dark chocolate chips occasionally. The brand that I like is Enjoy Life, I believe it's called. We can do this next. Chia seeds. So we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of the chia seeds. You want to scoop that out?
Yeah.
Chia seeds are so healthy for you. They got protein and fiber. Okay, maybe a couple tablespoons. Let's do another one.
Okay.
They're so good for you. You don't have to put chia seeds in if you don't want to. This recipe, like I said, there's different variations, so just do kind of what you like. I like to put in coconut, shredded coconut, and this is the unsweet coconut. And do you want to just sprinkle that in there? Just put as much as you like. Maybe, I don't know, maybe a tablespoon or 2.
That good?
Yeah. Then let's do
Honey?
honey or maple syrup. I usually like to put in honey, raw honey, but all we had was maple syrup. Either one works just fine. So if you want to go ahead and put that in, and that's probably a couple tablespoons as well. There's not exact measurements here because, like I said, you can do more of what you like, less of what you don't like. And then about a cup of that's sprouted oats. So we're going to throw that in there. Okay. And then I like to do some cocoa powder, and we can just shake some in there.
Chunks. Yeah.
And all this is organic stuff. That's probably pretty good.
Yeah. A lot.
And then
The greens.
the greens. Sunflower shoot. And I actually just use scissors and chop them up in smaller pieces so you don't get big leaves in your peanut butter balls. So you want to dump that in. And then basically after that, you're just going to stir it all up together. Do you want to stir it? Do you want me to stir it? Go for it.
Oh, that's getting hard already. Oh, yeah.
So I love making these because they're just so quick and easy, and they're a healthy option. You have a sweet tooth.
It's already making into like little balls.
Mm-hmm.
Like peanut butter balls.
Doing good. now for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what we're gonna do next. The next thing we're gonna do is grab about that much. That's kind of a big one. I'm just gonna make these into little balls. And just kind of squish them in there.
It's a tiny one.
Yeah, like that. And then, since I added the microgreens to it, you do want to refrigerate these. Are so good. I like them cold.
Or if you don't have microgreens, you don't have to refrigerate them.
Yeah. All right, there you have it. These are a fun little easy treat, and they're healthy and full of protein, and you can add your microgreens to it. How cool is that? So leave us a comment below. Are you gonna try this yummy, healthy dessert?